This lesson deals with supplemental problem 3.2. You can find this problem in the ECE302 ebook in the Chapter 3 Supplemental Problems on page 3. Suppose that we take some measurements on that same amplifier, but now measuring PNP transistors. And let's repeat supplemental problem 3.1. Now we're going to find the emitter base voltages and the collector base voltages. For this first transistor, here's the emitter, here's the base, and here's the collector. The emitter base voltage is 6 minus 8, which is minus 2. And then the collector base, here's the collector, here's the base, would be 2 minus 8, and that'd be minus 6. These are clearly reverse biased. We're in cutoff and not the active region. For the second transistor, the emitter base voltage is minus 1.4 minus a minus 2.1, and that's 0.7. And then the collector base is going to be minus 7.1 minus a minus 2.1, and that's minus 5 volts. Here we're forward biased, and here we're reverse biased. That would put us in the active region. And lastly, for this transistor here, the emitter base voltage is 7.18 minus 6.48, and that's 0.7. And the collector base voltage is 6.98 minus 6.48, and that's 0.5. It's shown below. We forward bias the emitter base junction and forward bias the collector base junction. Transistor is in the saturation region and not the active region. If we're looking to repair this amplifier, transistors 4 and 17 appear to be in the wrong regions, and that'd be the first place to look at replacing these transistors, or why are these in those regions? Is there some other problem in the amplifier? And this is supplemental problem 3.2.